Alright, what up YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and real quickly before we get into this one, I just want to let you guys know there has been a massive delay obviously on these videos. I've been home in PA for a while now, but I had some major complications with the shipping company, and I'll just make a whole separate video on that. For now, these next 3 videos are going to be like a month ago when I was in Texas for Texas 2K. So without any further ado, let's get into this. Alright, what up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It is super early. It's not 9:21. That's what it is in PA. It's 8:21 right now. We are on our way to a car meet. Not sure how it's going to turn out because as you can see, it is a little like misty out. Hopefully that doesn't affect anything, but I think it will. Also, I'm shooting it today instead of super wide view or super view, whatever the hell they call it. I'm shooting it just wide because I found it when I'm shooting in super view, it's not very, like, when I'm doing like the speed limit, like 100, it's not super blurry. It looks like I'm doing like 12 miles an hour. So I switched it to wide view just to see how that would do. So let me know what you guys think of that. Also, I swapped these out. So this is boost and this is my ethanol content, which is pretty cool. I didn't know you could do that until last night. I was watching a video and some dude did it on his, so I did it and it is working. Okay, let me put the turbo under some load. So that's like what, 13 pounds of boost right there. And we just filled up at the gas station. Our E is slowly going up. We're at E46. And the reason why I did that is I guess tonight, hopefully, there is like a legitimate Texas 2K meetup. It's like 45 minutes away from here. And I guess they're gonna be doing some runs. They say 900 horsepower cars. So I think what's gonna happen is I'm gonna run this Hellcat that called me out. I believe it's stock. I believe it's a stock Hellcat, so it should be a pretty good race. But he called me out, so we're gonna tell him to go there. I'm gonna run the Hellcat, and then the remainder of the time, I'm probably just gonna drive ahead of the crew and just do spotting. Because I think Marcus is gonna get some runs in as well, and he's like the 800 horsepower range, so he's more, you know, cut out for that type of situation. But yeah, hopefully this meet's good. If not, I'm just gonna turn it into a POV drive because I really haven't been uploading as much as I want to. The meets have been like okay. Like we had the one at Post, which was pretty good, and then there was some like night ones we went to, which have been all right. But I don't know, they've been blasting hella music. Like, you know, that one car in the back was blasting hella music. There's been that, and we don't really be doing nothing like the drive there or drive home. Like, we really just be doing the speed limit in the far right lane. Like, he don't really be pushing this car. He's like trying to chill on his car, which is understandable. He's trying to chill until Texas 2K. But we will be going down Tuesday. It's about, the Airbnb I got is about a 3-hour drive from here. And then we will be staying there until Sunday. We'll be there Tuesday. We'll be leaving Sunday morning. This car is getting picked up Saturday at some point. I don't know the time yet. But someone's coming to pick up the car Saturday to ship it home. I don't really want to do the 20-hour drive again, if I'm being honest. And I just feel like that's pretty good risk management, just shipping the car home. I don't have to worry about, you know, damaging it myself. Hopefully the shipper, you know, I mean, they could still end up in an accident and the car gets damaged that way, but I'm just trying to minimize risk. You know, flat tire, some going wrong with the engine, like literally anything, just some bullshit. So I'm just trying to minimize that. But that's pretty much all I got. I'm gonna pick back the camera. I'll pick it up once we get closer to the meet spot. We're probably like 15 minutes out. Yeah, it's just popping. On the BBS's, was it plaid interior?
I like that. I like that.
I feel like we'd be seeing this Supra everywhere too.
Blue one?
Yeah.
I do like it.
Another one on the BBS's.
Plaid seats, bro.
Yeah.
I like that a lot. It'd be a great car to just cruise, bro. I like this color, bro.
Yeah, me too.
This is a great spec DRS right there.
Yellow accents. I'm a sucker for these GT3s, man. Didn't even see the R8.
Yeah. That or a C7
Look at this long joint. Bro, it's like two of my cars.
Steering wheel's clean. Chain.
This thing is literally like double my car.
Hey, so you pull up on top, like, yeah, I'm ripping your face.
Man, these, bro.
Lagging, bro.
This thing is so clean. Bro. Look at these wheels.
Yeah, holy shit.
Yeah, those are crazy.
Those are tough.
Those are crazy. This color's popping. probably on air, yeah.
Yeah, he's got the bag right in place.
Oh, he's on air. Here we go. Infinity's clean.
Yeah, that is tough. I like that. This green is crazy.
Yeah, this is a color I wouldn't mind if I bought one.
Damn.
No buckets. Looks custom. Looks like he's like mesh wire, like in the.
Yeah. Swap right there.
Old M5. This thing's sick. I wanted TTS for the longest time too.
TTRS?
TTRS.
Yeah, they're get down.
My buddy has one. It's crazy. It's probably one of like the fastest cars back home. Not gonna lie.
They've done it.
Whole lot of shit. He's like going motor next.
He said you ain't shit. Look.
Yeah, that thing dumb clean. He really did say I ain't shit. I fuck with these two, but I feel like for the price.
Accurate?
Yeah.
I like the old ones. I don't know, the old ones look great.
What are these, 21? Are they 21s? Dude, those are huge. Dude, those are huge. They're 22s in the back? Oh, yeah. They look the same. Dude, that is huge. Alright, so we are on the way home. Hope you guys all enjoyed that. Look at that clean ass M4 right there. Damn, that thing clean. But we're on the way home. Hopefully all goes well tonight and we end up getting some runs in. If so, that'll be up after this video. But that's pretty much it for this one. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.